Learning with Veenal Sharma. Hello kids, let's learn W letter words. Letter W phonic sound is wo. So kids, let's learn some W letter words. W wo water. W wo watch. W wo well. W wo watermelon. W wo wheel. W wo wall. W wo window. W wo wheelchair. W wo whale. W wo web. W wo white. W wo wood. W wo wave. W wo woodpecker. W wo walnut. W wo wolf. W wo word. W wo whistle. W wo wing. W wo woman. W wo whisper. W wo write. W wo win. W wo wallet. W wo wind. W wo wipe. W wo whisk. W wo weep. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel.